Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Taslima Art. It's really lovely to have you here. If you find this video tutorial useful in any way, please do consider hitting the like, share and subscribe buttons and hitting the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. I am super excited to be part of this collaboration called Spring into Colour with some amazingly talented all-female artists. Please do stay with us because you're in for a cornucopia of creativity and colour. If you missed it, up before me was the lovely Heather from Art Addict 50. Please go back and check out her wonderful work, and links to all the artists can be found in my description box below. So today I will be pushing myself completely out of my own comfort zone to create my spectacular Spring Woman artwork using Carinda Ash coloured pencils to draw her face, Let's Resin alcohol inks, and a white acrylic Posca pen to embellish a floral hair wreath and bring the whole piece together for you. I will be playing some music for you in between the voiceover, so sit back and enjoy. So the next thing I did was spray this face part. I kind of masked around the head, so sprayed just the face with some satin varnish from Winsor & Newton just to seal that in. So hi everyone, welcome to my garden room, and today I have a very special one for you. I'm going to be using my set of alcohol inks, and these are a mixture of Pinata and Let's Resin alcohol inks. The Let's Resin ones I've mixed up with 99% alcohol and put in these little bottles here, as you can see. So I've watered them down a little bit. I've got a bit of 99% alcohol here, ready to do what I'm going to do in a minute. Other things I have here are a few palettes, a brush. Here we've got stamps, which we're not going to be using today, lots of cotton buds. This is the Pinata, beautiful inks, and there's the entire set here. I'll just show you those. Okay, you can purchase those on Amazon, of course. I've got a couple of brush pens which are refillable with alcohol ink. I also have these to help move the ink around my page. I have a heat gun, this one here, it's a heat tool. I have a cool setting hair dryer, which is a Lee Stafford one, and I also have something I've not used properly before, but I have my Walmart air gun. Okay, so the things I have over here that I didn't mention was some Posca pencils, oil Posca pencils. Okay, over here you must have just seen me create this face using pencils. Okay, so I used a number of different Carinda Ash pencils which I had to create this beautiful outline of a face, and you can find many faces similar to these. I just searched on Google for fashion photographs of models and people, and you can get many different angles. I chose this angle because what I'm hoping to do is create her hair, okay, or the colours around her face to really accentuate her. This is on Yupo paper, by the way, a large piece of Yupo paper. I'll put the dimensions up on the screen for you and in the description box below. So let's get started. Again, I've not done this before, it's a very new thing for me, so hopefully it will work, but let's just see. Time to experiment. Okay, let's do it. So I'm gonna start with the Let's Resin Peach Red, okay? And I'm gonna put some of that probably here. Put that over there. I'm gonna put some that on there. And I'm going to just see if I can let's just see if I can use and I've never really used one of these before, so for me again it's a very interesting thing to use. So I'm just going to keep adding a few more colours and then mix it all around. I might put some blue in here. Okay, and then I'm going to put my alcohol on top. Okay, and we're going to see if I can do this very slowly and get the colours to mix up. Oh, I keep knocking things over. Move away, move away. Maybe a bit more down here. Okay, so I might just try my hairdryer this time, see how that works. I find that's a little bit too big and powerful, so let's just try and maybe control it by hand a bit more. Again, a little bit too much by there. Break those up. So let's put some more inks down again. And put a little bit more of this down here. And a little bit more of this one, was it? This one is, no, that's the purple. I'm trying to go for the blue again. Okay, and then this. I'll try that.
Beautiful woman, I felt it deep inside. Beautiful woman, people are talking me down. Beautiful woman, you try to tell me what's right. The road gets longer, you turn all grey into white. Oh, and all the things I didn't say, there's wrecking balls inside my brain. Standing tall with all my faith, empty voices in my head, and they will always be around until I found the one again. Beautiful woman, sometimes we simply fall out. Beautiful woman, beautiful woman, tied to your love in the doubt. Beautiful woman, and all the things I didn't say, there's balls inside my brain, standing tall with all my faiths, empty voices in my head, and they will always be around until I found the one again. And all the things I didn't say, there's wrecking balls inside my brain, standing tall with all my faiths, empty voices in my head, and they will always be around until I found the one again. Just the way you are, beautiful, beautiful woman. You are beautiful woman. You are beautiful woman.
Nothing ever felt as good or as easy as when we were young. Oh, though I felt misunderstood, it was a pleasure running away with you. We were just children acting like a doll, crazy, naive, bold and carefree. We were kids having kids, crazy, naive. It amazes me that we didn't fall apart harder than we did. Now they keep us on speaking terms. We grow and we learn. I have no regrets, only forgets. Oh, a big thank you to life for giving us sand. Oh, when the timing's right, there's no wasteland. Oh, we were just children acting like adults, crazy, naive, bold and carefree. We were kids having kids, crazy, naive. It amazes me that we didn't fall apart harder than we did. Oh, life keeps on moving. It's cold. Yes, life goes on changing.
So folks, here is my final artwork, my stunning Spring Wreath Woman, and I hope she reminds you of what's to come in the season ahead, with all florals on her head, the beautiful colours in the background, and how it all fits together. I really am quite pleased with this little experiment I did, and I don't think it could have gone any better. I did hit some blockades on the way, but managed to overcome them. So thank you so very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial video, and I hope you are enjoying the Spring into Colour Collab and are ready for the next person, who is Charmaine from Alchemy Attitude Artistry. See you in the next live.